look for product areas where integration with your other products matters, where integration with the underlying source of truth in your system, unlocks a lot of product capability, where the middleware capabilities, the platform layer, things like analytics and role-based permissions and workflow automations, the specific ones that you've invested in matter in that new product area and are going to allow you to build a better product as a result of that than sort of your point SaaS competitors. And all else being equal, you want products where there's an opportunity to sort of play games with pricing, to sort of win on a pricing perspective with the bundle, vis-a-vis like point solution competitors. And so that's the other thing that those set of things are the things that we look at.